Let's make a wet mount. I have a slide. I have a cover slip, which is kind of difficult to see. By the way, if there's anything that will cut you, this will do it. So be careful when dealing with the cover slip. Let us obtain some sample from this deep corner of our aquarium funk. Let's drop it on here. Yes, that's pretty nasty. A lot of times I like to see if I can get a piece of Java weed. There we go. No, that's not it. There we go. There's some right there. I touch this quite regularly. Kind of nasty. Place the cover slip on top of it and kind of just gently press that down. Don't press it hard, because remember, that could easily crack. That is a wet mount preparation. Not very clean and beautiful to look at, I will say, but when we look at this under the microscope, usually we see some living critters.